Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Compass, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, you're going to look on the side. There's this little lever here you can pull, and that'll help you pull forward the seat. You can see on the back here, this is where it was connected to the car. And it's the same process for the other side as well. And this middle is connected, so this is all just one pulley over there. And when you're ready to lift this back up, make sure you don't trap your seat belt. So you can just put this around to the top while you lift and then lock it back in place. Same process with the other side. Then for these front seats, head back up. And this one, this little arm, you pull it up, this will fold forward. And when you want to push it back, typically with two hands, you'll lift this again. And then with your other hand, push back. So you can set this further back again, and when you release this lever, when it's back in the down position, that'll lock it in place. And to move the seat forward and back, you'll take this bar and lift it up, and then you can slide forward and back. And when you've got it where you want it, just release this bar and that locks it in place. And the passenger side works just the same. Same metal bar and same lever on the side for this back. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.